Hi YouTube! So for this year's pumpkin contest, I'm going to be converting this pumpkin into a Pokéball and placing this Eevee figure inside.
First, I draw on the pattern in which I'm going to carve. I cut off the handle in order to make it look round. I was struggling a lot at cutting this, so I had to enlist my dad's help. I'm starting off by filling in the black outline of the Pokeball. I didn't want the handle to be a distraction, so I'm covering it with white clay, which I'll paint in red after. And of course, paint the bottom part white. And lastly, paint the white center of the Pokeball. And there we have it. Quite a great design for beginning carvers. Thanks for watching.